What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you're subscribed so you know what's going on in the world of tech. We have something special today. There really wasn't any news except for one big video. I wouldn't call it a leak, but it's a video put out by Samsung on their news page, and it is a kind of a walkthrough on the Samsung Galaxy Fold phone, which will retail for almost $2,000. And they kind of go through the phone, and it's about 4 minutes, and I want to add my commentary to the video, so let's just jump right into it and watch it together. Here we go with the Galaxy Fold closed, and then it's right next to it with it opened. And I mean, some of the things that I noticed is, I mean, it looks kind of thick, which I guess could be a good thing and a bad thing. But right there, kind of a nice looking phone, but then sometimes, again, a little bit thick looking with the 3 cameras on the back. I don't know, it's kind of, for me, I'm definitely excited about this product. It's very exciting. It's funny, it looks really big when it's wide open. When DJ Co showed it in his hand, I thought to myself, oh man, it looks a little bit small, because the display is 7.3 inches when it's wide open, 4.6 when it's closed. But definitely looks like a Samsung device. I mean, it has all the Samsung attributes. And then they're showing here, it does have, which is cool, it has the same wireless charging that the Galaxy S10 has, so you can charge another wireless device on the back of it. Have to be your buds, your watch, maybe another phone. These foldable phones are really, really neat. That's a cool video shot right there. Him closing it and opening it right there. It looks, and then there it looks really thin, like in terms of like being slim, not just tall and thin. I don't know if I like that yellow. Is that the yellow one? I don't know if I'm digging that yellow. The blue looks nice, classy. I like the edges on there. In the middle there, it looks a little dated. I feel like, you know, the little small screen, even there, it kind of looks dated. I love the fact that you can open it and then it shows it on the larger display like it does here. That's really cool. It's got that big cutout at the top for probably the cameras and the sensors and the speakers. This is neat right here. So he's showing him using the camera when it's small, and you get the same camera experience you'll see as well when he opens it up. It gets the very same camera experience. I just can't imagine really ever using the phone closed when I look at this. I just feel like it's gonna feel too small of a screen when it's closed up. That's awesome, I love that. And then you can see it with software, it evens out on the bottom left, it evened out the edges on the, you know, the camera on the top right, well, it's the top left now, but it has that little wave in there. With the software, it evened it out so it fills up the whole screen so it looks normal, squared. Little video call action with the big screen. I can't remember if he closes it here and it hangs up on her. I guess he's not going to probably show that. Watching some videos on here. Little gaming. It's cool. It's going to have a beautiful display. It's going to have top-notch specs. It's really, and then looking at, what is this, Instagram or photos? I think it's Instagram. Looks nice. I just can't imagine I'm not going to be sold on this when I play with it in hand. I was sold on it at the event. If they had that for pre-order at the event, I probably would have pre-ordered it. It's expensive though. It's going to be, like I said, almost $2,000. It's going to have a specialized processor. It's going to have 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. It's going to be an exciting product. I think in terms of the way it's looked, sometimes it looks a little dated, especially when it's closed. That front display looks a little dated, but I can't imagine people are going to use it like that a lot. It's just, I think it's going to be a nice big display when you need. I have my hands like that. It's going to be an awesome big display when you have it like that, and then when you want it to be closed up, you know, it's easy to fit in your pocket, carry it around where you want. And then if you're like, you would just look at it then when you're just walking around, maybe because you don't want to open it up for whatever reason. So I think it's going to be a very exciting product. I know I'm stoked about it, and I'm not stoked about the price, but it's definitely one of the, I think it's probably well priced for what it does because it's new technology. So let me know your thoughts about the video down below in the comments. Do you think it is an exciting product? Is it a product that you're gonna save your money for and try to get? Just let me know, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace!